Hello everyone, it's me, the rockstar version of Louis Corpuz. We all know I have the kickboxer version of Louis Corpuz. I also have the rapper version of Louis Corpuz. Today is a very important day. I would like to share my thoughts. I found out about this. I think it's the coolest product name ever. It is called Suka ni Pepet. Ooh! It's the best. Suka ni Pepet. Wow. Whoever thought of this business name is a genius. I'm probably gonna buy more of this. I'm gonna get drunk with this. So, it's here. Suka ni Pepet seasoned vinegar. Wow. Manufactured by Pepet Food Products. It's the best. So, manufactured by, I keep on repeating it, Pepet Food Products. Address 0072 Fidel Rada Street, Lucban, Quezon. So, it's very far. I don't even know where Quezon is, but I think it's far. So, Lucban, Quezon. Contact number, if you want this, Suka ni Pepet, contact them at 0195 0458 495. So, I repeat, 0195 045 8495. Product of the Philippines. So, the ingredients here are coconut, vinegar, chili pepper, onion, garlic, sugar, and salt. Allergen information, no food allergen. So, it's important. I don't even know what allergen means, but I think it's important. So, I love this. Suka ni Pepet seasoned vinegar by Pepet Food Products. Yes. More blessings to all of us. I'm sorry. I just want to share this wonderful moment in my life wherein I found out another great product name. More blessings to all of us.